Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I really wanted to run through all the pieces that I made in 2022. I'm not actually including all of them in here because I sold quite a lot of the ones I didn't like. Where do I start? My brother likes to tell me that I look like an Edwardian child whilst wearing it, but it's this checkered sweater vest thing. I crocheted this one. The colours initially I wasn't sure about because I thought it was pink in the picture, but it turns out it was purple. But it's such a like unusual colour combination that I literally am obsessed with it. But despite the Edwardian child connotation, I love this one. It was this Serdar crochet pattern, so I will write the name of the pattern in the description. Sticking with the crochet theme, I'm going to show you this this bikini top. I had a little phase in the summer making bikini tops because I could sell them. I've got a few still waiting to be sold. Please feel free to go over to my Vinted. I think they're on Vinted now. I'll link them in the description. There is an orange one for sale on my Vinted. This one makes me laugh. This bikini top with daisies on the nipples. I saw one of these on Vinted and I was like, I can make that. So I did. And it makes me laugh. Not quite sure if I have the balls to wear it out. I got given a load of my dad's old shirts and I was like, right, I'm gonna make loads of clothes from them. What have I done? I've made this and still have a massive pile of shirts in my room. Boob tube thing. It's a little bit small, but that's kind of good because it means it holds itself up. Oh, if I did this all the time, I'd get massive arm muscles. This is literally just a red bikini top that I crocheted. This is probably the one that I am most proud of here because I designed it. I designed the fabric too. So it's a tank top essentially. If you look at it closely, it's got these different panels. But the thing about this that makes it really special for me is the fabric. If you look really closely, it's lots of little drawings. Like there, you can see a dog there. There's some faces on the back there. And it's drawings I got my family to do for me, family and friends, of memories that we've shared together. I made a digital design and I printed it onto some fabric and I literally love this so much. I've got to have a heart on the back because it's literally all my memories. Back to crochet. I always talk about this girl because her designs are so pretty. She's called Olivia Tully and I found her on YouTube, but she has the best crochet patterns and does tutorials for them, so I would totally recommend checking her out. I'll leave a link in the description again. They look huge and they kind of are, but like in a cool way. So I used one of her patterns to make this pair of shorts, but then I also had a bit of wool left over, so I made a bikini top to go with it. 50s, 60s trip down to Brighton seaside. I really fancy doing a vlog at some point because I haven't done one in ages and I have so much I want to say that you can't really get out in a video. I did a lot of crochet this year. I did quite a lot of sewing too. Hang on, let me do this one next because I don't feel like I've shown a lot of sewing pieces. So I, again, saw something on Vinted. I can make it myself. I've got the materials. This skirt, it's a box pleat skirt. It's really cute. The back's a little bit funky. Like that pleat at the back, I genuinely don't know what's going with that. But I made this on my overlocker. This was the first thing I made on my overlocker and it was sexy. Look at that sexy stitching. What next? Right, these gloves are the bane of my existence. I love them. Should have made them in different wool because they make my hands sweat like hell and that's never cute. 2 weeks of knitting and I've never knitted anything again. This bag is cute. I've not worn it anywhere because I also think it's ugly. I have two of these socks. They're bamboo. And one of them is blue now and the other one is cream because one of them got dyed in the water. I made this. I was going to give it some sleeves and I still might. I think it's the orange, the neon orange that puts me off. But it's like this at the front. Kind of sucks you in. And then at the back it's nice and open. Ignore the fact that it's literally crumpled. It's this slit midi shift skirt. Dead stock Ted Baker fabric. So I was like, yes please. If you look closely, can you see it? It's got like this little reflective pattern on it. And I will be wearing that again as soon as it gets a little bit warmer. These trousers are potentially my favourite thing. No, I've said that for quite a few things in this. One of my favourite things that I've ever made. They have their flaws, but so do we all. You can always tell which bit the front is because the back is like a saggy butt bit. So they're these pink ones. I do tend to look a little bit naked from a distance, but I've decided that I don't care. They are these flared pink trousers. I made these initially from a YouTube video and then realised that you needed to use stretch fabric. And needle cord is not stretch. This one anyway is not stretchy. So my fears every time I sit down, and I'm like, are they literally going to fall apart on me and am I going to have my ass out? You're going to have to bear with. The pattern on it is so pretty. I saw this top on Pinterest and I thought, okay, I can make that myself. So I decided to try and figure out how to crochet it without a pattern. And I'm honestly so proud of how it turned out. Now, last but not least is this corset. We're good. This is so uncomfortable because my bun is like pushing against the wall and I'm like, I literally can't. What is going on? So this is this is the corset. The ribbon's fallen out the back, but it's made from this fabric. The fabric is Tilda. At the back we've got these little gold eyelets that's usually laced up with this ribbon, but the ribbon's fallen out. That's all my pieces. What's the time? When I film in the morning, the light is so bright on my face that it's really unflattering. When I come close, it makes my face just look flat. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. Like my outfit video, I wanted to make a little record of these things. It's kind of, my videos at the moment are kind of like a diary for me, kind of getting everything in my head out. So like last week it was putting all the outfits that I can think of out so that I don't forget them. The week before that it was getting all my outfits that I thought of last year that I might want to wear again out. And this week it's kind of making a diary of all the clothes I made last year. I need to buy some mascara today because I've been literally running off this mascara that I've had for 2 years. Like my beatboxing. Right. Bye.